Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I have so much to tell you guys. I'm not going to tell you in this video, but just know that it's been a lot going on, some good and bad, but you know, I'm honest with you guys. I tell you guys everything. Y'all all up in my business, so I'm not going to start holding and keeping things from you now. But I wanted to show you guys an in-depth look at the facials that I get. I recorded the facial from start to finish. A lot of it is cut because the facials are like an hour and 15 minutes, like they're really long. But the basis of the facials, I wanted you guys to see so you can see everything that goes on. These facials are not like other facials that I have gotten. I've went to the Four Seasons and all these. This facial is not the same. And I wanted you guys to see start to finish how everything goes, the procedure, the technique, everything. They don't show like the product and all of that stuff. But if you guys look at my other video of my skincare routine, a lot of the product, like the Prime Renewing Pack, the Cerebomb, I use that stuff and they use some of it in the facial. You can kind of see in the video when I'm getting the neck massage, guys, I had a little bit of a scare. And if you already know my history, you know already how I feel about if anything goes wrong, if my fingers hurting, if my head hurts, you know where my mind goes already. So I had a little bit of a scare, and you can kind of see in the video, like when she's like, you know, what's going on back here? So I'm literally about to throw up, but I held my composure. I was very proud of myself, but everything was okay. And nothing, she didn't find anything that was worrisome to her that, you know, I would have to go get checked out. So that was the only thing that was on my mind. So I want you guys just to relax and just sit back and watch something that was so relaxing to me, and hopefully it can be relaxing to you. And I will see you guys in my next video. If you guys are new here, I would love for you to subscribe, join our community. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you very much. I am so glad you are enjoying the content. My name is Asia, and I do beauty, fashion, and post-cancer wellness. And I hope you guys enjoy my content. Saving you, is the heart of a woman. Yeah. I put the blame on me for giving you chance after chance. I love what you can't stand, and I try to be strong, but how much can I put your words on your life this time? And I hope you ain't lying, 'cause only that saving you is the heart of a woman. I put the blame on me for giving you chance after chance. I love what you can't stand, and I try to be strong, but how much can I put your words on your life this time? And
I'ma tell you this one time. Boy, I want you to be mine. Can I come see you now? Can I lay with you outside? Can I touch your lips with mine? Cause I need you now. Don't wanna leave, I just wanna be here by your side. You make me feel and believe that we in paradise. Cause I don't feel the ground. No, I don't feel the ground. But I'm feeling right. I tell you what it's all about. Cause you make me feel this way. It's kinda like whoa, oh, you make me feel and believe in me. Nothing like when we lock eyes. I look away from time to time. All I see is you right now. Just wanna lay with you all night. Feel your body next to mine. Boy, I need you now. Don't wanna leave, I just wanna be here by your side. You make me feel and believe that we in paradise. Cause I don't feel the ground. No, I don't feel the ground. But I'm feeling right. I tell you what it's all about. Cause you make me feel this way. And it's kinda like oh, oh, you make me feel and believe in me. Make me feel like yes, you make me feel like oh, you make me feel and believe in me. Oh, you make me feel and believe in me.
Feeling Your cries that can be heard from far and wide. It's only the two of us. Everything I need between those thighs. Every time I look into your eyes, I see it. You're all I need. Every time I get a bit inside, I feel it. Oh yeah, baby.
I'll take some time just to get back and forth. That I had days full of you, before it winds down into the memories. It's all just memories now.
Don't you love when I come around? Somebody fill you up, then I take you down. Don't you love when
was nice, yeah. Tryna split up all my time with 2 or 3 guys, yeah. 'Cause I can't make up my mind, I know I'm so indecisive. And I know that you don't like it, and I never let my guard down, but you steady tryna wipe it, oh no.
That's better. Okay guys, so I just got my facial done. You can see how tight, look how tight my chin and stuff is. Like, it looks so good. My skin is so hydrated. I'm very happy. I just wanted to bring you guys along so you can see exactly the steps, the products that I'm using, and in conjunction with these facials, my skin has been doing amazingly. Like, I'm so happy, I'm so proud. My dark circles are, I don't know how much they're gonna lighten up. They have gotten better because they were worse than this, but I don't know how much more they're gonna lighten up because number one, it's hereditary. My grandmother has dark circles. You know, it's your skin. Some things are just, it's just gonna be. So I can do my best to maintain and do my best to make my skin the best it can be as we all age. So I don't wanna be getting Botox and all of that stuff. So I have to start making sure that I'm keeping up on these things. So I wanted to bring you guys along, and I hope you enjoyed, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.